Let's learn A to Z words. A, capital A, small A for artist. B, it's a letter B for bird. C for clock. D for dragon. E for earphone. F, it's a letter F for fairy. T for girl. Hat, it's a letter H for happy. I, it's a letter I for inchworm. J, it's a letter J for jump. It's a letter K for kangaroo. It's a letter L for letters. M, it's a letter M for magnet. N, it's a letter N for nutcrackers. It's a letter O for oil. P, it's a letter P for paint. Q, it's a letter Q for queen bee. R, it's a letter R for ribbon. S, it's a letter S for strawberry. T, it's a letter T for teeth. U, it's a letter U for Uranus. V, it's a letter V for vulture. W, it's a letter W for windmill. It's a letter Z. Z for zombie.
If you like my video, please like, subscribe to my channel.